our soul. That one big soul we call planet Earth. She's taken care of us for so long, and we let her down, alienating ourselves from the ground. Cement towers to drown out all the forest live and burn out, all right to the ground. I felt that one. That was good. Alright, I'm posting that. Love you guys. Hey, everybody out there, fight for your nature. Learn what you're standing on. There's a lot of stuff under your feet. A lot of caves, a lot of aquifers, a lot of things that need to be taken care of. And not just the things above ground. So let's all band together, you know. Let's make sure that we know what we're doing and we don't hurt all the nature around us. It's already happening. The more people we get on, the better. So let's, you know, team nature. Team nature. Fuck this red versus blue shit. Team nature, yo. Go green.